Hi, I'm Doug.
I'm Jason.
And we're Two Aussie Dads.
Doug, I've got some kids coming over later, and a couple of them are real fussy eaters.
Fussy eaters. Yes. Okay, I've got a recipe called sweet corn fritters. You can put some veggies in that, mix it all up like a pancake. They won't even know it.
Sounds great. And the fussy eaters will eat it?
Yep, they'll fussy eaters. Yes, will love it.
Excellent. Show me how.
All right, you ready?
I am.
Let's go. Cue the music. Now this recipe for your PITA eater, really simple. First thing you're going to need about 1.5 cups of sweet corn. Give it a little bit of color. We're going to add a couple of spring onions. Make a good mustache. A couple of eggs. See? Just two. About 60 grams of flour. A little bit of baking powder. Ordinary salt. See? Not Himalayan rock salt or anything, just salt. So what we're going to do, we're going to take all these ingredients, blend them all together to make a batter, and then fry it up. Easy as. Okay, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 2.5 teaspoons of salt. Let's blend it up. Oops. Get a little bit of batter, make it up like a pancake. Yeah, look at that. It's cooked on both sides. Time to serve it up to your PITA eater. Mike, what do you think?
Boring.
Boring? All right. Now, if you got a real big PITA eater at home, time to jazz it up. Here are a couple ideas to make it look even better. Take some capsicum, make a little egg ring out of it. Take the capsicum, put it in the pan. Take some batter and fill it in the middle. Maybe try this one. Another good thing to do, get a piece of bread, egg ring, make a hole in the center. Take your bread with a hole in it, use that as a mold. Three different ways for your PITA eater to enjoy this corn fritter. PITA eaters, what do you think of these now? Better. Jason, case in point, 2 big PITA eaters. Look at them go.
Yep.
Awesome?
I think so.
All right. Okay, so that's our show for today. You like our videos? Okay, like them down there, subscribe and share down there. But remember, I'm Doug.
I'm Jason.
And we're Two Aussie Dads. So just eat it, okay?
You'll love it.
All right.
All right.
All right, let's go. Let's keep eating. Hey, Racket, it tastes pretty good, eh? It's got corn, green onions in it. How about that, eh? We're gonna double.
Green onion.
Yeah.